This fish roe salad works great as finger food served on toast. The fish eggs may also be served as a delicious and probably unexpected tip. All the guys who tried this appetizer in our house go crazy about it and ask for more. I'll show you how to make a very tasty fish roe salad step by step. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of fish roe. You will see it multiply, so you don't need to use a lot. You can use cod, herring, or some freshwater fish like carp or pike. Sunflower oil, about 250 milliliters. A small quantity of plain water, somewhere between 7 to 10 teaspoons, to make the salt go away and balance the texture. Fresh lemon juice. I used about a whole lemon. You can taste it while adding it and decide on the way how much you want to use. A finely chopped onion, which ideally you would chop with a knife before serving. If you grate it, it will be too juicy, and you don't want that. If you want to obtain a mouth-watering effect, decorate it with parsley, olives, or slices of lemon. Use your stand mixer to do all the work for you, or a good old-school hand mixer. Begin with mixing a bit only the roe, to break apart some of it. Start pouring some of the oil slowly, adding small quantities at a time. Keep doing this until you see them getting thicker. Remember, this is a golden rule for the consistency of this dish. Oil thickens, while water and lemon soften it. You always want to get a balanced texture. If you see the roe mix getting too thick, you add a teaspoon of water or lemon juice. You'll also need the water because the roe you'll probably be using is very salty. Taste it at some point. If it's still too salty, add water or lemon juice. It depends. If you like it a bit more sour, go for the lemon. If you want it more neutral, go for the water. They're both liquids, so they have the same effect on the consistency. In the end, the result should be a paste resembling a strong mayonnaise. It shouldn't slide off the teaspoon. Add the finely chopped onion and incorporate it with a spatula. Don't use the mixer here. Add some parsley to decorate it as you like. And take a moment to congratulate yourself for adding a new dish to your cooking skills. This roe paste goes very well on toast, together with some olives and slices of lemon. You can keep the fish roe dip in the fridge up to 1 week. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to post a video of a great family recipe for the best homemade mixed pickles.